Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Good Times for All, or Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. Um, just for starters, I made the video dark so you can see the light better. It's not just a big giant glare. You could actually kind of see what I'm trying to show you. In this video, I'm playing with the 4-inch hemispherical again. I was messing around with it. Just really just taking the lamp up here that I have in the dungeon down here and seeing what I could do with it. It's really neat. It projects the image really beautifully to where you can see even the knobs and everything of it's really neat how well it does it. And what I was thinking about was putting something over the lens. I was trying to mimic the moon. So I was going to make craters or just markings on the lens and see if I could show that on the on our finished view. And it did not work, but I will show you what I did learn from this. So all I did, I took a sock, an old sock tip, the curved part of it, and I cut some slits into it and a little slit in the middle. So it kind of looks like a wiffle ball. If you guys ever played wiffle ball, we used to play a lot when I was younger. But kind of like that, just little slits in it. And then it's really neat because what you still get is the same object. Let me get my hand out of the light a little bit here. But you have to line it up just right. And it'll be focused in, and you'll still see that object really well. But what's really neat is when you come down even further, the object breaks up into separate parts. And they all come into focus. It's really neat. It doesn't do it evenly because I'm keeping the back corner down and this side lifted up just a little bit. But yeah, so what this is doing is pretty much just like the eclipse. These are like the leaves of the tree breaking the light rays into multiple things. And it is showing you that image in multiple, everywhere there is light. So the question is there an eclipse or a lens in the way when there is an eclipse going on? Now I'm going to switch over to another video here real quick and show you one more thing that I've noticed. So I'll see you here in one sec. Alright everybody, I noticed this the other day while I was making that video trying to do the northern lights. Now we have our sphere here. Let's pretend like this is the sun. Now all I'm going to do is take my other lens and move it in the way, and look what happens. Does that not kind of look? Here, hold on. Let me make the sphere a little bit smaller. Trying to do this while keeping it all in the whoa. Nope, gonna have to make it a little bit bigger. Now that kind of gets in the way. Man, I just had it. I have a big one. There you go. And then you even see the off to the side, how we're always seeing that one weird, we were seeing that one weird thing. But doesn't that almost kind of look like the eclipse right there? If I take my fingers out of the way here, it's hard to hold the lens and not get your fingers in the way. Now I know it's hard, but try to see through the those dots on the top. But that lens kind of coming in blacks it out just like the eclipse. So just something I was playing with, and you even get that halo off to the side. I bet if I spent enough time I could figure out how to get the whole thing over there. But there you go, guys, the eclipse, just with lenses. I'm thinking that, I don't know, but the lights in front, kind of weird, but the eclipse in the back is what I'm more focused on. So there you go. Just a lens coming in. So who knows what's going on in the sky, folks? They do not have to be solid objects at all. It could be air being moved around in certain ways. We don't really know. So that's it. That's it. Good times for all here, signing out. And as always, thanks for watching.